Affiliate marketing advice for those who need help. Joining or operating a good affiliate marketing program can exponentially boost the profits your online business generates for you. Not every program qualifies as good, though. This video will give you some points to look out for, and dangers to avoid, when you decide to get involved with affiliate marketing. A lot of affiliate marketing is touch and go, so you have to remember, never to be set on any one formula or any one method. You will want to experiment with different banners, different content, different text, and other methods to see which ones works best for you and your overall sales numbers. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your sites so that your current customers can check out your new venture. You should check often to see how well banners, text links and recommendations are doing. If you find that one is doing better than another, you should change your tactics so you can yield maximum profits and sales results. Checking these statistics quite often will increase your earning commissions. Don't try to disguise your affiliate links as something else. Be open and honest about your affiliations. Visitors to your site will be more likely to follow the links if they know they aren't being tricked into doing so. Building an honest relationship with people is the best approach to a successful campaign. The secret to getting the most out of affiliate marketing is to go into the field with your eyes wide open. Hopefully, in reviewing the information above, you have picked up some handy information to steer you towards affiliate marketing success. When you apply yourself intelligently and make use of what you have learned, you will be well on your way to a profitable experience with affiliate marketing. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.